Growing out natural hair is not as tough as people think, and it's definitely not a walk in the park either. There are actually two key factors needed: consistency and patience. If you've got these and are also ready to follow my tips and treatments, then you're good to go. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a very potent hair growth oil that will help you achieve a healthy, long and fuller hair. So please grab a seat and let's get started. I'll be showing you what you'll be needing for this oil, and the first is olive oil. You also need coconut oil and you also need castor oil. I'll be making use of as much castor oil because I'm also making for 3 of my friends. The first ingredient we'll be using is black cumin seed. Because it strengthens the hair strands and it also hydrates the scalp, black cumin seeds also help in treating scalp infection and wounds. It reduces dandruff and inflammation and also stimulates hair follicles. So if you've never added black cumin seed to your hair oil, your hairspray, please consider adding it. The second ingredient we'll be using is star anise. Star anise helps protect the hair from lice. It helps the hair grow faster and fuller. It also hydrates the hair strands and repair damaged hair. It can help balance the pH of the scalp, and it also helps in soothing dry and itchy scalp. It also reduces dandruff and increases blood circulation to the scalp, which can help nourish hair follicles. If you do not know what star anise look like, feel free to take a screenshot. Now, the next ingredient we'll be making use of is moringa powder. Moringa nourishes hair follicles. It helps in fighting dandruff and also protects the hair from damage. It makes the hair shinier and improves blood circulation around the scalp. Now on to the next ingredient. We'll be making use of neem powder. Neem powder naturally conditions the hair. It strengthens the hair roots and also prevents it from getting dull and weak. It helps prevent itchy scalp and it also promotes hair growth. Also helps in reducing hair fall. The next ingredient we'll be using for this is rosemary leaves. Rosemary is a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. It is known to stimulate hair growth, cleanse the scalp, increase shine and relieve scalp issues. So consider using rosemary for your hairspray and also your hair oil, as this ayurvedic herb is very powerful. Study results also suggest that rosemary may improve blood flow to blood vessels in the scalp, reducing inflammation and creating an environment for growth. So the first thing I would like to do is to transfer all my castor oil into my mason jar. So this is how it looks like after adding my castor oil, and I'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of every other ingredient, so please watch me while I do this. So, to further strengthen this oil, I'll be adding about 10 leaves of hibiscus and also maybe about 5 leaves of bay leaves, because these ayurvedic treatments are powerful and helpful to the hair. Feel free to leave this in a dark corner from about 24 hours to 7 days to allow the nutrients from your ayurvedic herbs to infuse into your oil, or you can go ahead to do the double boiler method, or you can go ahead to do both. So for this oil, I'll be doing the double boiler method because it's faster to help the nutrients from the ayurvedic herbs to be infused into the oil. So I'll be doing this on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after 10 to 15 minutes, this is how my oil looks like. Still very hot, but looks good. And like I said, anything greenish, it will change your oil. In this case, moringa and neem has changed the color of my oil, but that's okay. I'll be leaving this for about 24 more hours to allow it to infuse, and you can see that the color has changed to show you that more of the nutrient has been infused in my oil. Guys, please do not dispose this ayurvedic treatment after sieving. Feel free to leave them and to use them later, because they are still very powerful, so you can still make use of them in preparing other batches of oil. So I'm going to allow this to cool down. Actually, it has cooled down, so the next thing I'll be doing is to strain this using an iron sieve and also my cheesecloth. I'm making use of my cheesecloth so that no little particles will be introduced in my oil, so that I don't look weird when people start seeing rosemary and star anise on top of my head. So yeah, we'll do that. So I'll be sieving this into my pot, and I'll leave so that you guys can watch. I think I'm talking too much. After gently straining my mixture, I'll go ahead to squeeze out the cheesecloth as much as I can, and I'll be dragging or pulling this to a corner to allow the remaining oil to sieve out, because I think there are still some oils trapped in there. So this is how my oil looks like. Wow, it looks so rich, so thick. By the way, guys, my mason jar divided into two. I'm sad. So I'm going to be transferring this into my 3 different applicator bottles for my friends. I'm sure they're happy right now as they're watching this video, because I took my time to make this oil for them. So this oil is enough for 3 of my friends, and I'll also be adding mine to my special applicator bottle. Now onto the application. Please ignore my hair. I know my hair looks ugly and all, but that was the only way I could dry out my hair. So I'll start by applying this oil to my problem areas. Like I always say, I don't have any problem, but I like starting with my edges because I'm Oliver Twist and I want more edges. So I'll apply this oil onto my scalp. Feel free to use this oil for hot oil treatment. Feel free to use it during your LCO. Feel free to use it for your massaging. Yeah, the oil is very potent. The oil is rich. It is packed with a lot of vitamins, and you will really enjoy it. So focus this oil on your problem areas. I don't have problem with any part of my hair, but I need my hair to be longer and fuller. If you have bald patches, if you have receding edges, if you have broken napes, broken crowns, please focus on this. And also do yourself a favor to massage this oil into your hair. Lightly applying this oil is not going to do anything for you, so please consider massaging your hair. So I'll go ahead to apply this oil to every area of my hair, and I'll also go ahead to use my fingers to massage it. But since I'm not trying to keep my hair neat or anything, my hair is already rough, I went ahead to use my scalp massager, because I usually do not use scalp massager when I'm on very nice hairstyle, but because my hair is already rough and I've been hiding this under a wig, I went ahead to use a scalp massager. So countless times on this channel, I've told you people how important massaging your scalp is. Yes, the treatment you just applied is very strong, is very potent, is very whatever, but you need to circulate blood around your scalp by massaging, so that this growth oil is going to work. So I'm done, guys. I'm happy, and I think we've come to the end of this video. If this is your first time stopping by, please subscribe, like and share, and guys, I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.